moving into my new university apartment. In new space. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so excited because today is currently Tuesday, September 17th, and this coming Sunday I finally move into my new apartment for university. If you guys don't know, I have been in community college for the past 2 years, so I've been living at home, and this is my first experience kind of living independently without my parents. So as much as I am super excited, I'm kind of nervous, and I'm going to be vlogging my moving process, everything from going to IKEA, which I'm going today, going to IKEA to finally the actual move-in day and trying to organize everything. And yeah, so first things first, today I am going to IKEA with my best friend. We are gonna do some window shopping and maybe pick up a few essentials for our place. Yeah. She's cute. This is Stella imagining herself in her UCLA dorm. And you move in. So what I'm looking for today is just like a mattress, but I'm not even gonna buy it here. I'm gonna buy it in San Diego so that I don't have to take it in my car. Wait, this is so cute. Oh, it's like not too soft. Yeah. Not bad, right? Good morning guys. I look crazy right now and you see little white spots on my face, but it is the day before I move into my apartment in San Diego, and there is a lot I still have to do. So I went out with my friends yesterday actually, and they were all asking me, oh my god, have you like started packing yet? And I was like, no, I literally have not packed anything. I feel like it really hasn't hit me that I'm like moving, so I feel like I've been taking it really very chill on all the packing and stuff like that. But then like I think last night when I got home I realized like, oh my god, low-key like I need to actually start packing. So last night I started doing packing for all my clothes because I think that would be like the hardest part, is figuring out what I need to take, because I'm not coming back home to pick up more stuff. I kind of have to be smart with what I pack. Today is like a whole errand day with my mom. I have to pick up last minute furniture, so we're gonna be heading to IKEA, then Target. Everyone always asks me how I feel about like transferring to new schools. Like I'm like, are you excited? And I always tell them like, of course I'm excited, but I'm also like nervous because I've already gone through my 2 years of college, and I'm going in as a junior right now, so my mindset is just to like do the most I can to meet new people and just make the most out of my 2 years there, while also like balancing all my academics and stuff. So I think I'm just going into it very open to making new relationships and trying to put myself more out there, even though it might be a little bit like out of my comfort zone. But So I'm gonna finish getting ready, do a little makeup transition. Time to go shopping.
언제나 내게 랄라랄랄랄랄라 노래가 되는 넌 선율이 돼 넌 믿음이 돼 모든 것이 귓가에서 자꾸만 맴돌던 멜로디가 나야 했다가 발견한 순간부터 Falling love 또 서로가
Oh my god.
기각되는 순간도 있겠죠.
We're now in Target, planning to get a cabinet here.
Oh, okay. I fit.
I got it. Hey. Good morning! It is day of move-in. I woke up feeling very nervous, but everything's packed already, guys. So I used to have all my makeup stuff here, but I just put a little bin to like organize all of the stuff that I'm not bringing. And then I have all of like my bath and makeup stuff in here. I might bring my monitor. Hi guys, I'm editing right now and I realized I didn't film any clips after that one because I think I was I didn't film any other clips besides that one, I think because the movie day was pretty hectic, but I'm gonna fast forward to when I'm in San Diego already and we're gonna unpack together.
I got COVID, remember?
It's almost 5:30 or something. We made an IKEA trip, but now we're Smile. Oh.
That's a lot.
그대 미소에 난 취한 것 같아 자꾸만 웃음이 나 어린아이 장난 같아
Hi guys! So as you can see, I'm settled down in the new space. Everything's pretty much organized. Also, I got this new mic off of Temu, and I'm hoping it works, and I hope the sound isn't too harsh because I know a lot of mics can sound like that, and this was really cheap. So, but I wanted to sit down and do like a little chit chat of my day because it was so hectic today from all the moving. I think we arrived in San Diego around 2 o'clock, and then we were just like, we went to IKEA right away, and then we came back, and I'm so tired, but I actually had my like a small mental breakdown in the restroom during dinner today, and because I was feeling a little bit overwhelmed. I think it's finally hit me that I'm here alone, and I was so comfortable around the people like I surrounded myself with at home, and being able to hang out with them all the time and stuff like that. And now that I'm here alone and away from them, it's finally hit me, and it is kind of scary. And people are gonna be like, you only live 2 hours away. But again, like all my hometown friends are all at different schools, and I've been with them for 2 years of college, and these remaining 2 years I am not with them. So I definitely went through it a little bit earlier, but took the time to make a to-do list and keep myself busy starting from tomorrow because we're gonna wake up and have a great day. But I think through it all, I know that my mindset is still wanting to make the most out of my time here and trying my best to put in the effort to make new relationships, meet new people, make new friends and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm excited to bring new content to the page, film these memories, and look back on it and see how much I grow. Good night, everyone.